Hello guys, manual retopology can be slow and frustrating, but it doesn't have to be. I've created a Blender 4 add-on called JRetopo that makes the process easier and more intuitive. In this video I'll give you a quick overview of its main features. Here we go. That was a quick look at my Blender 4 Retopology add-on JRetopo. The first version is now available on the Blender market, and if you buy it now, all future updates of course will be available for free. You'll find the link in the description, check it out and let me know what you think. I hope you liked the video guys. If you do, then please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already to this channel. And check out the JRetopo add-on, the link as I said is in the description below. See you soon here on JNM.